Hi, I'm Feargal Gleeson.
And I'm Richard Rothbloom.
And today we're going to show you our new listing, a newly renovated 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the heart of the East Village. Truly a one-of-a-kind layout. This is the combination of 3 apartments with incredibly low maintenance, and also comes with 3 additional storage units in the building's basement. With both southern and northern exposures, the apartment is flooded all day with natural light, along with unobstructed views reaching as far north as the Empire State Building. The apartment features brand new Brazilian hardwood floors throughout, adding elegance and charm to each room. The open kitchen features custom cabinetry, a dining island for both prep and storage, and quartz countertops in pristine condition. Additional kitchen highlights include the high-end stainless steel appliances such as a Liebherr fridge and a Verona stove oven. Facing south at the back of the building into a tree-filled garden, you have a spacious bedroom with 9-foot ceilings and pin-drop quietness. Here you'll also find 2 massive walk-in closets with custom shelving and glass pane sliding doors. Both bathrooms include sleek design and feature Grohe fixtures, with one bathroom offering a walk-in shower and the other a porcelain tub. Convenience is also key, with a Miele washer dryer located in the unit. The well-managed building offers a planted garden for residents, 3 private storage units for this particular apartment, and additional bike storage. Please reach out to Richard and I if you would like to see this apartment. We would love to show you in person.